Well, hello all my lords and ladies, and thank you for joining me on Witching Around with Leslie. If you haven't already, go subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any more of my entertainment. Today, we are doing a Boxycharm. All that glitter, fairy glitter. I have not seen any of what they're including in this one yet, so you will be just as surprised as I will. I have no clue what's in it this month. But da-da-da! Oh, they finally put some cute little sprinkles in here. Way to go, Boxycharm. So today's theme is Candy Shop. And there's 5 different products in here. So let's dive into them. Take out all this stuff. So they packed it extra today. So they put the little sprinkly stuff, they put this layer, and then they put another layer under here. So they actually put the palette by itself up here. Woohoo! So first off, we're gonna go with the lava lashes. I'm gonna start from the bottom up. This is variation number 62 right here at the bottom. Okay, so it's Lava Lashes Charm Foam Mink, lightweight and fluffy, handcrafted luxury lashes. Our charm style blends seamlessly with your natural lashes and adds the perfect amount of glam to any look. I would wear them. They're kind of big, but I'm starting to get into bigger ones sometimes. So I probably would. They look nice, and I like that the band isn't too thick and too big, but it's not too small. Like, you know, there's not a lot of in-betweens, which is what I need. Okay, up next is going to be the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cuapaqua Lip Butter. I'm sure that's not how you say it. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend with Cuapaqua butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. MSRP $20. That was a good piece of glitter I ate. So this is what the little tube looks like. Of course, they have a little imprint right here. Okay, so it's cute. Comes up like that. Kind of curious. I'm probably gonna need it after all this glitter I have on my lips. Okay, so next up we have Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. Here it is. Certified cruelty-free, talc-free, gluten-free, paraben-free. Everything free that everybody looks for, okay? This cheek trio has all your angles covered. This high-quality, silky formulation ensures the high points of your cheeks are evenly highlighted, the hollows perfectly chiseled, and the apples of your cheeks subtly flushed with a universal peach. What in the world is a universal peach? Because I don't really like peach, so I don't know how universal it is. It's blessed, goddess, and incredible. This one's kind of peachy. The others aren't really. This one's a shimmer for sure. This one looks like a cross between a shimmer and a matte, and this one is a complete matte. And this one looks to have like a little touch on it. And it wasn't me. That's not the first time I've gotten touch stuff from Boxycharm though. Blech. Anyways, so next up is Rodeo Soft Focus Glow Drops. Illuminate the complexion and achieve a lift from within glow with the new Soft Focus Glow Drops. Oops. This skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and the gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. That sounds freaking awesome. MSRP $60. Wait a minute, I don't know about that price. Let's see what this sells. Illuminate, glow and be radiant with soft focus glow drops formulated. Perfecting priming base. Perfect base for makeup. Dewy skin effect. Oh, see, I don't like the dewy skin effect. Antioxidant for healthy looking skin. I like that, but maybe I'll try it. I don't really like dewy. I like matte. My face is already got enough glow to it. See, I'll tell you London, New England. Editor palette. This palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. MSRP is $32. I've seen this one in another box, or I've seen everybody with it. Everybody has it. Everybody selling it or whatever. I don't know if it was coming out in this one. I didn't know if it was old or not. So it's the Editor Palette New England, made in China. Okay. And here it is. The outside is just like some like painted leaves or whatever. Nothing too fancy, but I do like the brand, so hopefully this is good too. Yeah, it's pretty. I can see these. This looks more like Easter to me. I can see this one and this one. Painting myself as an Easter egg. All I can do is try it and see how it works out. Not I can always give it away. So that concludes this month's Boxycharm. It was alright. It wasn't bad. It wasn't the worst. It wasn't the best. It was a decent Boxycharm, right? Do I feel like I got my money's worth? Sure. Yeah, I do. Will I keep it? Sure, I will. Who doesn't love makeup that comes in a bunch boxed together, right? And they're all products that I would probably never buy otherwise. So it's something it's a treat, I guess you could say. So that is all for today's Boxycharm and today's video. And if you haven't already, go subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any more of this here. Thanks guys, bye.